This one-of-a-kind bespoke Ferrari 488 Spider is equipped with nearly $150,000 in extra options. Special ordered in stunning Blu Elettrico paint and fully customized at the Ferrari Atelier studio, this one-of-one Ferrari was an honor to have in our barn. While in our care, we cleaned and moisturized the custom Rosso Ferrari leather interior, performed a paint correction, applied a ceramic coating, and took care of several other detailed tasks. Fun fact, the 488 is the first Ferrari to use a mid-engined turbocharged V8 since the F40. We have worked to build a reputation for dealing with rare, low-production, historically significant automobiles. We invest time into learning each car's design, provenance, and place in history. We do this because we are passionate about each project that enters our doors. If you are looking for a specific shop to trust with your collector vehicle, consider Resurrection.